Level up your wallet. Win up to $1,000 gaming high access guide. Welcome to High Access, the ultimate destination for gamers seeking to boost their wallets while doing what they love gaming. We're excited to bring you an exclusive guide today that will level up your earnings and put you on the path to winning up to $1,000 just by playing your favorite games. If you've ever wondered how to turn your gaming skills into cold, hard cash, you're in the right place. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey where gaming and wealth collide. Let's dive into Level Up Your Wallet, win up to $1,000 gaming high access guide, and discover the secrets to gaming prosperity. Step 1. Unleash the gaming goldmine. Get the Gamee app. Are you ready to embark on the journey to turn your gaming passion into a profitable endeavor? In this first step of our exciting guide, we're about to introduce you to the game changer, quite literally, that will make your dreams of earning money through gaming a reality. Brace yourself as we delve into step 1. Download the money making app of your dreams, the Gamee app. Picture this: your smartphone, and an incredible opportunity to earn money while indulging in your favorite mobile games. That's precisely what Gamee offers, and it's time to get in on the action. Why Gamee? Gamee is not just any run of the mill gaming app, it's a gateway to financial rewards and exciting gameplay. This app is where entertainment meets earnings, and it's your key to making money while doing what you love. Available across platforms. Whether you're an Android enthusiast, an iOS aficionado, or prefer gaming on your trusty laptop or computer, Gamee has got you covered. It's a versatile platform that ensures you can access it from your preferred device, making it convenient for gamers of all backgrounds. Global opportunities. Gamee isn't a local secret, it's a global phenomenon. This app operates in various countries, opening up incredible opportunities for individuals like you and me to earn over $1,000 every week just by playing games. In fact, some high achievers have even banked over $7,000 from Gamee. The platform boasts a track record of paying out over $1 million to its users. The question isn't whether it's real, it's how you can get it in on the action. Real money, real fun. You might be skeptical about making significant money while gaming, but let us assure you, it's as real as it gets. Gamee pays out real money to gamers just like you for playing games on your mobile device. In this world of play to earn, you won't find a better opportunity than this. Step 2. Game on. Play your way to $1,000. Now that you've got the Gamee app downloaded and the excitement is building, it's time to dive into the heart of it all, playing your favorite games. In this second step of our quest to help you earn up to $1,000, we'll show you how to turn your gaming skills into a money-making machine. A plethora of game options. Gamee doesn't just offer a handful of games, it boasts a vast library of games designed to entertain and reward you. Whether you're into brain teasers, action packed adventures, or casual challenges, you'll find a game that suits your taste. From classics like puzzle games and racing simulators to trendy titles that keep you engaged for hours, Gamee has it all. Earn while you play. Here's the magic formula. For every game you play on Gamee, you earn real money. Yes, you read that right. Every moment you spend immersed in your favorite game is an opportunity to fill your wallet. The more you play, the more you earn, making gaming more rewarding than ever before. Instant gratification. The thrill of earning isn't delayed on Gamee. As you play, you'll see your earnings accumulate in real time. It's like watching your score in the game, but this time, your score represents actual money. This instant gratification keeps you motivated to play and earn even more. Track your progress. Gamee makes it easy to track your earnings and progress. You'll see how much you've earned from each game you've played, giving you a clear picture of where your strengths lie. This information can help you focus on the games that bring you in the most rewards. Tickets, tickets, tickets. As you play games on Gamee, you'll also collect valuable tickets. Think of these as your golden tickets to unlocking even more opportunities to earn. The more tickets you have, the more money you can make. So, don't just play for dollars, play for tickets too. Game challenges and missions. Many games on Gamee come with exciting challenges and missions. Completing these not only enhances your gaming experience, but also earns you additional rewards. It's like getting bonuses on top of your regular earnings. Step 3. Weekly $1,000 earnings, it's game time. Congratulations on taking the plunge into the thrilling world of Gamee. By now, You've discovered how to download the app and play your favorite games while earning real money. In this pivotal third step, we're about to unveil the path to your weekly earnings goal of $1,000. It's time to level up your wallet. The weekly $1,000 challenge. Earning $1,000 weekly might sound like a dream, but on Gamee, it's a reality for many avid gamers. The challenge is straightforward. The more you play, the more you earn. The sky's the limit, and with dedication, strategy, and a dash of luck, you can reach that remarkable milestone. The power of persistence. One of the key secrets to hitting that $1,000 mark is consistency. Make gaming on Gamee a regular part of your routine, and you'll see your earnings grow steadily. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, every moment you spend on the platform brings you closer to your financial goals. Track your progress. Gaming offers comprehensive insights into your earnings, making it easy to track your progress. You'll see your total earnings, a breakdown of earnings from each game, and a snapshot of your ticket collection. Monitoring your progress helps you identify which games are your strongest earners and where you can focus your efforts. Realistic goals. While the $1,000 weekly target is achievable, it's essential to set realistic goals for yourself. Begin with smaller milestones and gradually increase them as you gain experience and confidence. This approach ensures that you stay motivated and focused on your gaming journey. Additional earning opportunities. Beyond game rewards, Gaming provides various opportunities to boost your earnings. Keep an eye out for special promotions, tournaments, and challenges that offer cash prizes. Participating in these events can significantly accelerate your progress toward your $1,000 weekly goal. The art of ticket collection. Tickets are your secret weapon on Gamey. The more tickets you accumulate, the more chances you have to participate in giveaways and win cash prizes. Be sure to maximize your ticket collection by playing a variety of games and completing challenges. Stay tuned for your path to prosperity. In the upcoming steps of our guide, we'll delve even deeper into the Gamey universe. We'll reveal advanced strategies to maximize your earnings, share real life success stories, and guide you through the simple yet crucial process of withdrawing your well earned cash. Step 4. Real results, real money. Live payment proof inside. Welcome back to our gaming journey where we're not just talking the talk, we're walking the walk. In this exhilarating fourth step, we're going to peel back the curtain and share real results and live payment proof that will leave you with no doubts about the potential to earn serious cash by playing games on Gaming. Seeing is believing. They say seeing is believing, and we're about to make a believer out of you. We understand that when it comes to making money online, trust and transparency are paramount. That's why we're here to provide you with concrete evidence of the earnings and payouts that gamers like you have experienced. Meet the high earners. Gamey is not just a platform where a lucky few make money. It's a community where numerous gamers achieve substantial earnings. Some of the top earners on Gamey have surpassed $7,000 in earnings. These are everyday people just like you and me who have unlocked the potential to generate significant income while doing what they love. Over $1 million paid out. To put any lingering doubts to rest, Gamey proudly declares that it has already paid out over $1 million to its users. That's real money deposited into the bank accounts of gamers worldwide. It's a testament to the legitimacy and power of the platform. Live payment proof. But we won't stop at statistics and success stories. In this step, we'll provide you with live payment proof right here from the Gaming platform. You'll witness the process of withdrawing earnings from the app, showcasing how straightforward and reliable the payment system truly is. We believe in transparency, and we want you to see that Gaming is as good as it sounds. Your turn to shine. With this live payment proof, we aim to inspire and motivate you to take your gaming skills to the next level. We want you to realize that the next successful withdrawal could be yours. It's not a pipe dream. It's a tangible goal that you can achieve by dedicating time and effort to your gaming adventures on Gaming. Step 5. Explore the app Diverse Games for Money Making. Now that you're well on your way to becoming a pro gamer on Gaming, it's time to take a closer look at the wealth of gaming opportunities this platform offers in the fifth step of our guide. Explore the app Diverse Games for Money Making. A treasure trove of games. Gaming isn't just a gaming app, it's a gaming universe. It's packed to the brim with an eclectic mix of games that cater to all tastes and preferences. Whether you're into brain bending puzzles, adrenaline pumping action, or relaxed casual games, you'll find something that tickles your gaming fancy. Options galore. The variety of games available on Gamee is truly impressive. You can choose from classics like Sudoku, crossword puzzles, and solitaire, or opt for more modern and engaging options such as arcade style games, racing simulators, and strategy challenges. With so many choices, you'll never run out of exciting gaming experiences. Something for everyone. Gamey understands that gamers come in all shapes and sizes. That's why they've created a collection that spans different genres and difficulty levels. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking for a new challenge or a casual gamer seeking some fun and relaxation, Gamey has you covered. Earnings with every swipe. The best part, every game you play on Gamey is an opportunity to earn real money. While having fun, you're also inching closer to your financial goals. The more you play, the more you earn, and that's what makes Gamey a standout platform for gamers worldwide. The ticket to more rewards. Don't forget about those valuable tickets you collect as you play. These tickets are your passport to even more opportunities to make money on Gamey. The higher your ticket count, the more cash prizes and giveaways you can participate in. Challenge yourself. Many games on Gamey come with exciting challenges and missions. Completing these tasks not only enhances your gaming skills but also earns you additional rewards. It's like getting bonuses on top of your regular earnings. Step 6. Unleash the power secret techniques for earning more. Welcome back to the journey of unlocking your full earning potential on Gamey. In this pivotal sixth step, we're about to unveil secret techniques that will supercharge your earnings, ensuring you make the most of your time gaming on the platform. Master the art of ticket collection. As we've mentioned before, tickets are your golden tickets to more rewards on Gamey. Here's a secret. The more tickets you have, the more you can multiply your earnings. One powerful technique is to focus on games that offer the most tickets per play. Keep an eye out for these high ticket games to accelerate your ticket collection and increase your chances of winning cash prizes and giveaways. Daily engagement for daily rewards. Consistency is key to maximizing your earnings. On Gamey, daily engagement can lead to significant rewards. Make it a habit to log in regularly, spin the fortune wheel, and complete daily missions. These actions not only boost your earnings, but also open up opportunities for additional tickets and cash prizes. Invite friends, multiply earnings. Here's a not so secret technique. Invite your friend to join you on Gamey. By doing so, you not only enhance your gaming experience by competing with friends, but also earn bonuses for every friend who signs up. The more friends you invite, the more you can multiply your earnings and build a gaming community together. Tournaments for big wins. Gamey hosts live tournaments with enticing cash prizes. Participating in these tournaments can be a game changer for your earnings. Sharpen your skills, aim for the top spots on the leaderboard, and claim your share of the prize pool. Tournaments are not just about the thrill of competition, they're about substantial rewards too. Secret bonuses and top offers. Don't forget to explore the top offers section of Gamey. Here, you'll discover hidden treasures in the form of games that offer substantial ticket rewards. Completing challenges in these games can lead to massive ticket collections, boosting your chances of winning in giveaways and increasing your overall earnings. Set realistic goals. While aiming high is admirable, setting realistic earnings goals can help you stay motivated. Start with achievable milestones, such as reaching a specific earnings target or collecting a certain number of tickets each day. As you hit these goals, gradually increase them to challenge yourself further. Step 7. Cash out your success. Withdraw your earnings. Congratulations on your journey to becoming a successful gamer on Gaming. In this final step, we're going to guide you through the essential process of cashing out your hard earned earnings from the platform. It's time to turn your gaming success into real world rewards. Reaching the withdrawal threshold. Before you can cash out your earnings, it's essential to reach the minimum withdrawal threshold, which is typically set at $10 on Gaming. This means you need to accumulate at least $10 in your account balance before you can initiate a withdrawal. The good news is that, with consistent gaming and ticket collection, reaching this threshold is achievable. Accessing the withdrawal option. Once you've reached the minimum withdrawal amount, it's time to initiate the cash out process. Open the Gamee app on your device or visit the website if you're using a computer. Look for the withdraw or cash out option, usually located in the app's main menu or on your account profile page. Providing payment details. To withdraw your earnings, Gamee will likely require you to link your payment method. Most commonly, this is done through PayPal, a secure and widely used payment platform. You'll need to enter your PayPal email address or the details of your preferred payment method. Ensure that the information you provide is accurate to avoid any hiccups in the withdrawal process. Confirming your identity. For security reasons, Gamee may request additional information to confirm your identity before processing the withdrawal. This could include verifying your email address or phone number associated with your account. These steps are in place to protect your earnings and ensure that only you can access your funds. Processing time. Once you've initiated the withdrawal and provided the necessary information, Gamee will process your request. The time it takes to receive your earnings can vary but is typically relatively quick. Many users report receiving their money within a matter of days. Celebrate your success. As your earnings are deposited into your PayPal account or chosen payment method, take a moment to celebrate your success. You've turned your gaming passion into tangible rewards, and it's a significant achievement. The journey continues. While this step marks the end of our guide, your journey on Gamee can continue. With the skills and knowledge you've gained, you're well equipped to continue growing your earnings and enjoying the exciting world of play to earn gaming. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. We hope this guide has helped you discover the potential for making money while doing what you love most, gaming. Now, it's time to cash out your success and embrace the rewards of your gaming journey on Gamee. Thank you for joining us on High Access, your ultimate destination for unlocking the potential of your gaming passion. We hope this journey has empowered you with the knowledge and strategies to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Remember, your passion can become your paycheck, and with dedication and the right guidance, you can level up your wallet. Stay tuned for more exciting content, gaming tips, and money making strategies right here on High Access. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to never miss out on the latest gaming adventures and financial triumphs. Together, we'll continue to explore the endless possibilities of gaming, where high scores aren't just numbers, they're the keys to success. Game on, dream big, and let's keep reaching for those high scores and high earnings here on High Access.